Welcome back, guys, CryptoFi channel. Today we would like to talk about BubbleMaps and Axiom Pro. Let's dive in. Guys, finally, Axiom Pro integrated the BubbleMaps version 2, and now you can investigate the tokens before the migration or after the migration. And of course, you can analyze not only the meme coins. So guys, I highly recommend you, first of all, create an account on a BubbleMaps. Now it's a version 2, but it's totally for free. You can investigate and double check the relationship between the wallets, double check the insiders, the team, the clusters of the holders. And also you can use inside Axiom. If you trade on Axiom Pro, it's a really popular now platform where we can trade meme coins, especially that one which launched on most popular launch pads. And how you can do this one inside the Axiom Pro. For example, you can choose between the trending, this one, tokens, which was Surge, DEX Screener, double check, and the Pump Live. This is a Pump Live, which now in a live on a Pump Fund, some tokens shilling. You know, you can go to polls, use any, for example, filters. Here's a new pairs, final stretch, which soon will be reached the target to migration. For example, this is migrated tokens, which are already traded on Radium, for example. Let's find some token cloud, this one. We open the cloud, and this is a basic chart on 15-minute time frame. So basically this token just 45 minutes like migrated to Radium, and here you can find in holder section BubbleMaps IO. This is Solana chain token, and this is time travel option. Here you can track each bubble. It's one single wallet. When you turn on the magic nodes, you can find out the clusters, how every single wallet connected together, and these guys basically control the biggest emission. Here, 149 wallets control 90% of emission of this token. This is definitely, guys, red flag. And be careful, no makes sense to even try gamble with this type of tokens, because you will gonna lose the money, because in one click, after maybe a few hours, this can be the rug pull and crazy candle, red candle down. Also, we can go back to the Axiom and find, let's say this one. Valentine. More like organic move. This is dev cells. We can track, so token get some history. Let's find the BubbleMaps here. Here you can see the connection. So each line, it's connection between the wallet. So it means this cluster with the 3 wallets hold together, combine it. You know, because like holders, we can track only the wallets. And when you see just one wallet hold 0.5%, you think, oh, it's not a big deal, you know, it's not insiders, but that guys can have 5 wallets or 10 wallets, and it can be one person or a group of people or the team, for example, or insiders, and they can control some amount of emission. And this cluster, so it's a group of people or the team or insiders, they use 3 addresses separated, but they connected together with on-chain transactions. And this cluster hold 1.17% of total supply. Now it's a 9K value. And if we turn on the magic nodes, we can see another cluster. This one, bigger one. So it's 18K with 3 another wallets. Cluster hold 2%. Of course, the red flag, if you see a lot of dozens, hundreds, just separated small wallets, not connected together, it's probably the organic accumulation without insiders, without anything, right? Let's go back again to Axiom, find another token. So here's a XRP pump it, another XRP. So this is a dev cell, the bot, dev cell, and dev cell, his token. We go back to the Axiom, and what we can find here. This cluster hold with 2 addresses, 9K value in USD. This one 3 value in USD, and we can turn on the magic nodes again and find bigger cluster. 7 wallets control 3% of total emission and 23K. You can track inside Axiom with the BubbleMaps. The same story, you can just copy the contract address this one, you can go to the BubbleMaps main page, paste address on Seoul and track it here. Why it's important to double check all the time, not only on Axiom inside, it's important to copy the address from Axiom and paste it in the BubbleMaps, because here you can use the time travel option. On Axiom, I guess this option doesn't work because it's showing you can use the application, this one. So at the launch day, you can see we already got a clusters. So this wallet hold like 1.3%. This is a Meteora pool, Radium Vault Outer. And yes, we already get a clusters. And if we turn on the magic nodes even more, we can see, I guess, the even more connection. Yes, like you can see at the launch day, this cluster, for example, hold with the 4 wallets, hold 877K USD value. And after that, this is just like empty wallets, but it's hold before. That's why, guys, I highly recommend you all the time use the time travel option on BubbleMaps application. On Axiom, I highly recommend you all the time this option, magic nodes, to see the connection between the clusters. Guys, I hope you like this video. A link to Axiom and the BubbleMaps will be under the description below. Subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the bell notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.